Okay, problem number 12, number 6 in your textbook gives you the price of lobster, caught in Maine, the quantity supplied at different price points, and the quantity demanded in the United States of lobster. And the first thing it does is it asks you to supply or to graph quantity supplied and quantity demanded and determine what the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity are. Okay, so when we do this, we're going to do the supply curve first. Okay, supply. At $25, suppliers, of course, are going to want to supply a lot of lobster. Okay, they're going to want to supply 800 pounds. At $20, they're going to want to supply 700 pounds. So it's a little bit less because they're not getting as much money. Okay, at $15, they're going to provide less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. Again, because they're not getting much money. At $10, they're going to want to supply 3, 4, 5, 500. And at $5, they're only going to want to supply 400 pounds of lobster, of lobster into the market. Okay. Then you're asked to graph U.S. demand. At $25, that's way too expensive. Not that many people want to eat lobster at $25 a pound. Lobster drops to 20 pounds. The amount demanded goes up to 400. 400. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 400, and you're going to go up $20. Okay. Price drops to $15, 600 pounds are demanded. Okay. Price drops to 10, then only 800 pounds. Well, at $10 a pound of lobster, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's kind of inexpensive at $10, so 800 pounds are going to be demanded. And then we have at $5, 1,000 pounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,000 pounds being demanded. Okay, you connect all those dots, and that's your demand curve. Equilibrium occurs where quantity supplied equals quantity demanded. Okay, so it's going to be right here. So the equilibrium price and quantity is $15 and 600 units supplied, 600 units demanded. Okay. Now I want to point out to you that when we are above the equilibrium curve, equilibrium point, supply is greater than demand. So that means we have too much in the market. This too much piece here is called a surplus. Okay. When we're below equilibrium, this is called a shortage. Shortage. Okay, it means demand is greater than supply. All right. The next part of the problem asks you or tells you that the lobsters are going to expand into the French market. And so they've gotten where they are now exporting to France. So we're going to put the quantity demanded by French people right here. And at $25, 100 pounds of lobster are demanded. At $20, 300 pounds of lobster are demanded. At $15, 500 pounds. At $10, 700 pounds are demanded. And at $5, I think it is 900 pounds. Okay. And the problem now asks you to draw the market demand curve. So I'm sure you have read in your textbook that the market demand curve is the summation of individual demand curves. So we have US and France. Summation, of course, means we're going to add these up and we're going to have a new demand curve. Okay, so let's just do a market demand curve right here. Quantity, market. Now I'm going to run out of room on this little board here, but hopefully we'll get through it. Okay, at $25, how much is the total market demand? That's going to be 200 plus 100. So at $25, market demand is 300 units. At $20, 400 plus 300. So $20, that's 700 units demanded. At $15, we're going to take the US demand and the French demand. That's gives us 1,100 pounds demanded at $15. At $10, we're going to see $10, 800 US plus 700 French. And then when the price goes down to 5, 1,000 plus 900, 1,900. Okay, so now this becomes our new demand curve at the different price points. So at $25, only 300 pounds are demanded. Okay, 25, it's going to be a really small little marking there. At $20, 700 pounds, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At $20, okay, going to end up right there. At $15, 1,100 pounds are demanded. At $10, 2, 3, 4, 1,500 pounds are demanded. And at $5, 1,900 pounds are demanded. So now this becomes D2, if you will. This includes both US and France. Okay, the first demand curve was only the US. So you can see as we increase the number of buyers, we're also causing our demand curve to shift to the right. And our new equilibrium price is right here where these two are intersecting. Okay, and that is at $20 and at 700 units or 700 pounds of lobster. You would also be able to tell this right off the graph. $20 market demand is 700. At $20 market supply is 700, and that would be your new equilibrium price and your new equilibrium quantity. $20 and 700 pounds.